What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, quick little review here, or an unboxing, and a little bit about the Ridgid warranty. Had an issue with my multi-tool. I didn't have the octane at the time. I had the regular brushed one, the multi-tool. Had it for about a year. The one issue I had was the handle here, the lever that lets you disengage the blade. It broke off, and it's plastic. It snapped off. I wasn't able to get the blade off. I mean, you could if you sat there with pliers and stuff, but I brought it back. Had a little bit of an issue, but it was resolved within 24 hours easily. Home Depot, the managers there, they stepped up, and make a long story short, I was able to send it in, and I was upgraded, okay, because the one I had was discontinued. So I was upgraded to the octane, which is awesome. Highly recommend the Ridgid, okay, Ridgid warranty. I don't know if people have had bad luck out there, but I gotta say, I mean, it worked out perfect. So this is it. It's the Ridgid octane, okay. If you've been following my channel, you'll know I got the other octane tools. And it's the jobmax, okay? I'll tell you what, it feels good. It feels like the same one I've had. Who's that? Everybody know who that is. Hey, Sonny! All right, well, he's messing around there. But this is it. Comes in 2 speeds here. I don't remember seeing the 2-speed on my other multi-tool, but you got 1, which you'll switch to the left, and then speed 2. I don't know if you can see that on there. But really into if it focuses, and those little orange diamonds are numbers. All right, but it's not focusing. All right, then in the middle, it's a lock, okay? So if you put this down and the kids are around for some reason, and they go to pick it up, it's locked. But if you switch one of these over to one of the speeds, then it works. So it's kind of a safety too, okay? Same thing, you want to change the blade out, you slide this up. Kind of hard with my one hand, and then you fold it backwards this way, and it opens up so you can take the blade off. Okay, it's got the, like the others, it's got the LED. I don't have a battery with me because I'm not out in the trailer, but yeah, it's a nice tool. Very happy with it. Brushless, it's gonna run better than the other one. The other one was shutting down really quick. I'd use it for about 15-20 minutes, and then it would heat up very fast and then just shut down. But again, if you're looking to get into a tool platform and you're on a budget, really look into the Ridgid. If you're a new guy out there starting a new trade, look into the Ridgid. The warranty you can't beat. And they made good with mine. I gotta say, I'm gonna recommend Home Depot to anybody and everybody I run into. Haven't had one problem with them. Great company, as always. Blows lows away in all those other stores. I mean, come on, you guys know that. And that's it. So we got the jobmax, the octane. I'm actually going to use this on Saturday, so stay tuned for the video on Saturday. It's going to be a good one, and we're going to actually use this thing. It's going to be in action. All right. Hey, listen, one other thing I forgot to mention. If you haven't already, subscribed. What's he doing over there? What are you doing, kid? All right. Just subscribe, share, and like the videos. All right. And here's my man right here. All right, Sonny. Yeah, he wants to get in on it. So he's in on the video. There he goes. We don't have to ask where Sonny is because he's right here. Hey, Sonny, what do you think about the new tool? Huh? You have anything to say about it? All right, that's it. Just remember, subscribe, share, like. We'll catch you on the next one, and stay tuned because this Saturday we got a good one coming up. All right, and it's gonna be a good video. It's gonna be on the job for once. It's not gonna be the man cave or anything like that, and we're gonna have some fun. So we'll catch you on Saturday, and have a good rest of the week. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, Sonny! Yo, Sonny, where are you, Sonny? Sonny? There he is. All right, we'll catch you later. Catch you on the next one. Oh, one more thing before I go. I just wanted to do a quick shout out. Thanks to my man. All right, you know who you are, cuz. And you know, go out and get your Ridgid, RIDGID, Team Orange, bro. All right, go get it while supplies last. Go online, HomeDepot.com. Go into your local Home Depot store. This stuff sells like hotcakes, cuz. Hotcakes. It's like those sandwiches at Popeyes, bro. You know what I mean? They never have them in stock. So get your ass over to Home Depot or go online if you're looking to start a new business or you need some tools for around the house. This is the way to go. Trust me, I can go out and get any tool I want. I'm settling for these guys. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Ridgid, remember, Team Orange, Octane. I'm out. Later.